In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a silent message on Facebook Messenger. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Messenger app and then just open up some conversation. Facebook Messenger gives you ability to send silent messages without notifying a recipient that you have sent them a message. In order to do that, just tap right here at 123 button and then hit at that / button. It brings you up the different options, and from here just tap on silent. And then you can tap at ABC icon to switch your keyboard to words, and now you can start typing your message and then hit on send button to send it to the recipient without sending a notification about that message. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.